show y'all how I wash my hair without running water. If you're living in your car and you need to bathe or wash your hair or do anything else with hot water, get one of these collapsible silicone water kettles and a power inverter. Otherwise, you can take a sprayer or a spray bottle to a truck stop restroom and fill it up with warm water or hot water out of their tap. Since I do have the luxury of a microwave, I'm going to use it to heat my water. Four bottles of water is all this sprayer holds. Before I get started, I'm going to show y'all what I'm working with. I've got a folding lawn chair. So I've got this folding table here. Now set this board on top of it. And this 28-quart tub goes on top of the board. Now I'm going to drape a towel over my computer to protect it from overspray. As y'all can see, I have long hair. It's not thick, it's just long. Now, y'all wouldn't believe how much water you waste washing your hair, but you're about to find out because I'm going to show you. Now before we get started, I'm going to show you how nasty it is. I haven't washed it in a while. Okay, now I've already pumped this sprayer, and my hair is so long that I usually have to stand up to do this. I had to take that smoke off, it was getting in my way. Now, did y'all see how easy that was? If you use one of these 2.5-gallon sprayers, it has this lock right here, so I can lock the trigger down and use both hands. That's the advantage of this over one of those laundry spray bottles. And if you use a 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner combo, you're basically done at this point. And I've only used maybe 1 bottle of water at this point. But I'm going to keep going and condition my hair. It needs it. Okay, now at this point I'm going to pump it again because I've used up quite a bit of water and it's losing pressure. Now I'm going to deep condition my hair. I'm going to clip this side up and let the conditioner soak in. I don't know if y'all notice what I'm doing or not, but I'm holding my hand in front of this sprayer to prevent water from going everywhere. and it's keeping it concentrated on my hair, so I'm able to get all of the shampoo and conditioner out of it. So I tried this once before with a laundry sprayer and it didn't work very well. I mean, it worked okay, but not good enough for really long hair. I'm going to clip this side up again and wash the other side. There's my water, y'all. Now I'm going to go dump it out. Now I'm going to spray some detangler in my hair before I brush it out and blow dry it. Well, that's it. Now I'll show you what my hair looks like after it's washed. There you go. It works. And yes, these are my natural roots. I'm a natural blonde with ash brown roots, and I'm going gray because I'm getting old. But yeah, wow. Okay. Now here's the final verdict. It only took 3/4 of a gallon of water to wash my hair and condition it 3 times. So I started with a half gallon and I'm down to just a little over 32 ounces. So I think that's pretty good. Like I said in the beginning, if you use a 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner combo, it would only take about 32 to 64 ounces of water to wash your hair. And that's if you have long hair. So using these sprayers can really save water. Maybe your water lines are frozen in the wintertime. Or if you're living in your car, maybe you're a truck driver, you're running hot shot, you don't have access to running water. Use one of these. And if you need to bathe, I recommend a 3-gallon sprayer with a hose attached to it. And that way you can get your back and everything and not have so much of a problem. So, anyway, there it is. If you like my video, if you drop me a line, if you have any more suggestions, hit me up. Y'all have a good day. I'm going to leave y'all with some parting words of redneck wisdom. Don't be down on yourself for what you don't have. Be grateful for everything you do have. And don't ever be ashamed of what you have to do to survive, so long as it's legal. I'm out, y'all. Be good.